How to make money on Pinterest. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Now, making money on Pinterest relies on transforming visual discovery into revenue, primarily through affiliated marketing, selling product, or driving traffic to monetize sites. Unlike social network focused on scrolling, Pinterest is a search engine where users have a high buying intent. So what you could do is here, you could simply launch open Pinterest. You could recommend a third-party product and earn commissions on sale. You could link a direct to affiliated friendly platforms like Amazon Associations or ShareASale in your pin descriptions as well. You could also sell your own product. You could use swappable pin and link directly to your Etsy, Shopify, or WooCommerce store as well. You could also use a digital product like banner, templates, or ebook are popular for high profit margin as well. You could also go with the print on demand. Now you could sell custom design on apparel or home decor using providers like Printful that handfully fulfillment. So this is how you can make money on Pinterest. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.